The Northland is in a child mental health care crisis. We've recently reported on a huge need and not nearly enough resources for families. But tonight in Chisholm, a handful of organizations came together to try to help. Northern News Now's Dominic Vidiella was there.
The 5th annual Youth Mental Health Night brought the entire community out, and the rain is not stopping, and neither are the people as they try to break down that barrier of stigma.
I think the more these kids get to know about it, and parents, grandparents, the better off we are. Because you were labeled back then, you know, and I don't like to see kids or anybody, kids, young adults, anybody labeled.
Mental health resources from all over the Iron Range came to support the event. This year's event is dedicated to youth mental health advocate and late Northland hockey star Adam Johnson, who was a supporter and volunteer for the event. That legacy was remembered Thursday evening by another Iron Range hockey legend.
First year I ever did it was actually with Adam. He came and picked me up and was kind of telling me the importance of it and you know what it meant to the kids. And I think I was a little younger at that time, so I didn't really understand it as well. So once again, him being a role model kind of got me here and got me started coming here.
The goal of the event is to show kids that it's okay to reach out and that there shouldn't be a stigma around asking for help.
You know, I've gone through tough times and try to go through it alone and it doesn't go well. You know, you reach out, and even when it's not the easy thing to do, you still do it. And you know, it's obviously important. It helps a lot, and you know, you're never in it alone, no matter what you think.
Organizers say rural areas experience far greater challenges when it comes to mental health.
Rural St. Louis County has some of the highest suicides in the nation. So this is a real issue that we need to really take charge and do something differently.
So here, resources came to the community, lowering the barrier of entry and intimidation factor for those who may be hesitant to seek it out. Reporting in Chisholm, Dominic Vidiella, Northern News Now.
The event was hosted by Family Services Collaborative of St. Louis County, as well as the Minnesota Discovery Center and Fairview Range. And we have those resources all listed on our website.